Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to add subtitles in Premiere Pro 15.0. If you update your Premiere Pro version to 15.0, you will see that the whole captioning system has changed. There is a brand new captioning workflow that will allow you to edit and create captions using text panel. There's now a track dedicated to caption in the timeline so you can treat your captions. Now your captions are like video clip. You can also select them and stylize them inside the Essential Graphics panel, which is much better than the previous workflow. Before beginning with the tutorial, let me tell you the outline of the video. The first one is creating captions. The second, we are going to stylize the captions. And third, we are going to see all the options available on exporting these captions. Time codes are available on the description for you to review and move around. Creating captions. So this was my intro for this video. Now we are going to add captions to this. Once your timeline is set where you need to add captions, go to Window, then Workplace and select Captions. This will open a new tab next to the Effects control and you will get a pop-up window. Under that, select Subtitles and Style should be none by default and click OK. This will open a subtitle track above the audio and video track on the timeline. You can hide and unhide captions from the track by using this option. Then click on this option to add new captions. Then type in the words you want to show under the subtitles. Then move around to the new part of the video where captions has to be added and add another caption. You can also move around the captions, increase and decrease the size of the captions according to your need. Stylizing captions. Now once you have all the captions in place, select all of them. Then on the Essential Graphics panel, you can change the font of the captions. This font will do for me. Also, I will like to increase the size of the text a bit and change the color of the captions to yellow. You can play around and set your captions according to your need. And once you are done, if you want to keep this style of captions for other videos as well, then under track style, create a style and use it on other projects as well to maintain similarity. If you are watching me for the first time, hi, I am Rudra. Really great to have you here. If you enjoy my content, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's move on with the video now. Exporting captions. To export captions and videos, follow the normal method. Go to File, Export and select Media. Then go to Captions tab. Under Export options, if you select Create Sidecar Files, then it will create and export a SRT file separately along with your video. And for Burn Captions option, it will bind the caption onto the video. In case if you feel I missed anything, do let me know in the comment section.